Today we're going to talk about our Smoke Pro unit. On my 1931 Model A here behind me, I suspect that I have a exhaust manifold leak somewhere. And this is the ideal tool to find that. But this is good for a lot of things. On a modern car, you might have a leak in gasket material around your doors, weather stripping. Nice way to do that is to pump the cabin full of smoke and see where it comes out. That's the theory behind what I'm going to do today. We're going to fire this unit up, and we're going to use this cone right here and this output device right here, this little cone, and we're going to put smoke inside my exhaust system backwards from the tailpipe up into the manifold, and that'll tell us pretty quickly what kind of issues we have. The way this works, I'm going to connect this up to a 12-volt source. I have a battery down here, and also I'm going to connect up my air compressor to it right here, and that puts a positive pressure to make the smoke go. Inside of here there's an oil that will get hot and make smoke. So let's get it hooked up. Okay, step one. I'm going to go ahead and hook up a 12-volt source to our battery. This is a deep cycle battery I keep around for my motorhome. That gives me 12 volts on it here. If we look over here, I can go ahead and connect up my air compressor system to the unit right here. And if you'll notice right here we've got a green light. And now, if I engage in the unit, I've got a red light. That means it's going to start making smoke for us. Give it just a second to get started. Ah, there it comes. Can you see the smoke? Let me see, can we see the smoke coming out of it? Yeah, quite good. We can see the smoke. Next, I'll connect it up to this unit here, which is a rubber boot that's going to go into the tailpipe of my car. Stand by for that. Well, we have lots of smoke. And that, let me zoom out a little bit here for you to look at this. That's the engine bay, carburetor over there. And sure enough, I have smoke. Now the good news is that it's only coming out of where the exhaust pipe connects up to the exhaust manifold. So as we look even further into the engine, I don't have any smoke at all up on the engine block or any of those areas that would be a pain to work on. This should be relatively simple. We're going to go in there, we're going to open that up and change the seal. There's what they call a donut in there. It's like a gasket that apparently is not seated properly or something. So we're going to take that apart, find out what's going on.